Hello, welcome back to Raw Space Hidden Architecture. I'm Kyle Van Dyke, and today we're at Princeton Junction, New Jersey at the Grover's Mill barn construction site. This building was built in the 1800s and made famous in the 1930s by Orson Welles and his broadcast War of the Worlds. It became the poster child to that event.
All right.
This is the cribbing holding the building up at each post position at Grover's Mill. This is so that they can excavate underneath and build a foundation. The results of which are this. We have now a new foundation wall and a sill where a post will be spliced onto and connected.
While we're on now? Yeah.
This is the barn having the footings new foundation put into the back of the property. The building is lifted up and elevated over top of the foundation as we move along slowly, 2 posts at a time or 3 posts at a time. Getting a new So please come back, visit our blog, and see how we transformed this building from an old barn into something that's clear, simple, fresh, healthy, and sustainable, and made new into this neighborhood, keeping its historic character.